Now, if we look for the classification of the carbohydrates, we have furthermore classification, like depending upon the number of components which are present in sugar, that means number of sugar molecules which are present. We have already done monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, but now we have few more classification. The one is that we can classify depending upon their form, taste or solubility in water. We classify them as sugars or non-sugars. So what are sugars? Sugars are typical sugars. As you all know, they are sweet crystalline solid, soluble in water, taste sweet, already done. Example, glucose and fructose. As you all know, they are soluble in water also, they taste sweet also, and they are crystalline solid. But non-sugars are those which are amorphous, that means they are powder form and they are tasteless, they doesn't taste sweet, they are insoluble in water, like starch and cellulose. You know that cellulose is actually synthesized, a component of the plant cell wall, you know that, it is tasteless and amorphous and it is regarded as non-sugars. Likewise, we can classify the sugars further into reducing and non-reducing sugar. As the name suggests, reducing one is that which can easily reduce the tolling reagent, Fehling reagent, like if it reduce tolling reagent is indicated by the formation of silver mirror, we will be doing that. And if it can reduce the Fehling reagent, that means it can form a reddish brown substance, that is the copper oxide. So we have sugars which can actually do these things, and non-reducing one are those which cannot reduce tolling and Fehling solutions. So we will look for that when we will study in detail. You will be able to know that what kind of sugars actually we can classify, that is reducing and non-reducing sugar. What are the reasons behind that, why they are able to reduce and why they are not able to reduce. So this is what is the classification. Now we are going to start with the, we are going to elaborate monosaccharides now, and there you will see the test also, because by this test we can actually distinguish between the fructose and the glucose. We will be looking in that. So just start with the monosaccharides.